Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by setting a firm intention grounded in your beliefs and practical goals. State why you want change. Once decided, list specific triggers, times, apps, or emotions that lead you to the habit. Make an immediate plan. Replace the action with prayer, a brief walk, or a cold shower. These reset your physiology. Also prepare your environment. Remove tempting content, set device limits, and schedule supportive activities. This foundation makes the first actions both intentional and sustainable. You now focus on building routines that reduce idle moments and vulnerability. Fix consistent sleep and meal times, and block periods for worship or study. Once done, add accountability. Tell a trusted friend or join a group, and use apps for screen limits. When urges arise, practice delay techniques. Count down 10 minutes, breathe deeply, and switch to a planned activity. Make sure to reward small wins and review setbacks without harsh judgment to maintain momentum. You finish by consolidating gains and planning long-term maintenance. Celebrate tangible milestones and progressively lengthen goal periods. Once habits stick, reintroduce normal activities cautiously and keep accountability in place. If a relapse occurs, do not shame yourself. Map exactly what triggered it, adjust your environment, and refresh your support plan. If struggles persist, pursue counseling or pastoral guidance to address deeper issues. One key troubleshooting tip: when stuck, pause and ask, what immediate trigger changed, and what one small adjustment prevents it next time?
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.